Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, then unlock the screen, and here let's open the list of all apps, choose settings. Now let's scroll down to choose system, select reset options and choose reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So this will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset settings, and in order to begin the whole operation, tap reset settings again. Right now the device is resetting network settings, and network settings have been reset. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.